this video. So this is the first one. Okay, using Paintbrush tool and colorful line art. And let me show you the second one as well. So this is the second one with letter M. Okay, so we'll create both in this video. Okay, so hope you will like it. So let's get started. Okay, so we have the first one, which is this one over here, the line art. So the very first thing, you select Distort Transformation from Effect option. Okay, then you customize the parameters, the angle you set. So you will get beautiful shapes. Change the color. Now the second one. So you unsmooth the line. Now increase paintbrush smoothing, paintbrush smoothness of the paintbrush. Now you can see the difference. Okay, so you will see all the resources links. Please share your valuable comment and feedback. Okay, and wish you all the best.